Last week, you learned about different U.S. symbols. One of them was the Lincoln Memorial. This monument was made to honor Abraham Lincoln's kind accomplishments. Let's learn more about why Abraham Lincoln was seen as a good citizen. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He was born in Kentucky in 1809. At age 7, Abraham and his family moved to Indiana. There, Abraham did chores and read books. At age 21, Abraham moved to Illinois. He ran a store and served as postmaster. 12 years later, Abraham married Mary Todd. They had 4 sons. The family lived in Springfield, Illinois. Abraham later became a lawyer. In 1846, he was elected to the U.S. Congress. In 1861, he became president. That same year, the Civil War began. The country fought about slavery and states' rights. In 1863, Abraham signed a paper called the Emancipation Proclamation. It helped free many enslaved people. But some people did not agree with Abraham's ideas. In 1865, John Wilkes Booth shot and killed him. Abraham helped change the United States. He helped end slavery. People remember him as a great speaker and leader. He kept the United States together as one country. After reading this article, we can now answer the question, how was Abraham Lincoln a good citizen? He was a good citizen because he worked as a lawyer or someone who teaches others about the law. He was also a good citizen because he was a speaker and leader who wanted to help spread peace in his community. He was also a good citizen because he showed compassion by signing the Emancipation Proclamation in order to end slavery so that all humans could live peacefully and equally. Abraham Lincoln is one of many examples of different good citizens within our country's history.